Hello aspirants, I provide anecdotes on UPSC PYQ mains essay topic. Let's start. Third essay is a smile is the chosen vehicle for all ambiguities. Anecdotes. 1. Angulimala, a bloodthirsty murderer who lived during the time of Buddha, had terrorized the realm of King Pasenaji. Once he attempted to murder Lord Buddha but failed. Despite this, Buddha forgave him and smiled at him. His calm demeanor left such an impact on Angulimala that it changed his heart and he became a monk. Buddha chose a smile as his reaction, which not only hid his feelings at the moment, but it also left such a life-changing impact on Angulimala. Anecdotes. 2. India, a nation surrounded by two hostile neighbors, had already fought 3 wars by the early 1970s. At the same time, China had already conducted a nuclear test in the 1960s. Given the international affairs at the time, to protect itself, it chose to adopt a policy of ambiguity about deciding to go for a nuclear test. In fact, the first nuclear test was named Smiling Buddha. Anecdotes. 3. Tulsi Das ji says, Tulsi is sansar mein bhanti bhanti ke log. Sabse hans mil boliye, nadi nav sanjog. There are different kinds of people in this world. It is very important for us to greet everyone with love and smile like a boat that lives in harmony with the river to reach the shore. He gives a message of always keep smiling, as it is a good way of solving problems. In mythology also, the gods are always represented smiling. Irrespective of whatever the situation is, be it Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva or Lord Brahma. In fact, when Lord Shiva was asked to drink poison, he smiled at the army of Devas and Asuras and drank it. He chose the smile as a vehicle for all ambiguities about his feelings, which increased his respect manifold among everyone. How to brainstorming any essay. You think 5 and 6 topic to write essay. Like. On this essay you think. 1. What is a smile? 2. What do you mean by ambiguities? 3. Importance of smile as a vehicle for all ambiguities in all the walks of life. 4. Is a smile always a positive sign? 5. Does it always solve the problems? And finally concluded essay. Thanks to watch my channel, subscribe to see next video and share it.